Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how do I edit on a Capcut by iOS or iPhone. So here I use a iPhone XR for my device, and usually I open the Capcut application and start the new project. Mostly I use a Capcut for editing my video. So I want to have this. Okay, so I want to edit this video to have like different speed for each length. So I want to make it like go fast and slowly go down, and after that in the end I want to make it go fast again. So to make it that way, I just to make sure that the straight line is in the beginning of the clip, and after that we just need to click the clip until it is in active mode, and then will be activate like several tools here, and you just need to click speed. And after that I want to make a curve speed so that I can adjusting or make a custom speed for the video that I have. Okay, so as I said before, I want to make it the beginning of the video is going like fast, so I want to like increasing the speed by click this point, go drag it into the upper side. Okay, like drag into the upper side. I want to make it a little bit fast. Right there. Okay, I think it's too fast, and I want to make it the same for the next, right here. Okay, and I want to make it go slow when the coffee is pouring. So this spot I want to drag into the left side until I want to drag it down. Okay, let's have a try. Okay, I think I want to make it like there. Okay, just keep adjusting so that the spot will be like correctly with what you need. Okay, and I want to start going fast here, slowly pouring, and okay, and that's all for the speed. I want to click here to make sure that everything is perfect. And since we like change the speed of this video, the sound will be adjusted too. So when it's go fast, the sound is make it fast, and when it goes slow, the sound is also going slower. So to covering it, I want to mute the original sound by click the mute, and after that you just need to add the additional sound by click sound and exploring the sound that provided by the Capcut. I want to have a coffee, and after that just need to click search to find out the music. Okay, have a test. Okay, I think it's good. Just click add, and now you just need to adjusting the length of the music. Drag into the end of the clip, click the music, click split, delete. Let's have a test. Okay, and after that you just need to export to save into your device. That's all the way how do I edit my Capcut or my video on the Capcut. If you find that this guidance got you so well, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.